Welcome back to the room with Chris with the K. This is where we make music, talk about music. So today I do want to do an R&B beat. So this is my go-to instrument, Triton. There you go. Let's do like a slower R&B. For the chords, I want to do 7 chords. The 7th chord is pretty much the 7th note of the chord that you're playing.
I don't get it. Me neither.
So we're playing A, so it's going to be the 7th note, which is going to be A, C, E is the 5th, G will be the 7th. Bam, there you go. But since we're in the key of A flat, it has to be a G flat. Ooh, that's it. That's the one, boys. All right. I like this one, but I think I'm gonna take away the attack because the attack is a little much. There we go. I'll have it slowly pan. Alright, for this one, now we're gonna start making the actual beat.
Finally!
So I like this. So essentially, this thing just kind of sounds like a clock. I wanna add that. Ooh. I want to add in a guitar bass. All I did was I pitch bend. I went to the envelope, pitch bend it up so that it would change pitch while the guitar was playing. Add the tremolator onto the vocals, so Alright guys, thanks for tuning in the room again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, leave your comments below, and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. And I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Definitely a little different R&B. I feel like this is more alternative R&B than it really was modern R&B or even like old school R&B. Let me know what else you guys want to see next. Stay fierce. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.